Hello, it's Raymond, New York Times top 10 bestselling author, and I'm here in Orlando. And what am I doing in Orlando? I'm teaching some wonderful people how to become authors, how to be distinguished, how to be branded by writing their own book. This is so exciting. If you're listening, then just hit the happy faces and the hearts so they can go streaming by. I just love seeing those hearts go by. And here we are. I'm going to switch it. How do I switch? Here it is. Switch it over to wonderful clients. And here they are.
Hi, how are you?
Wow. Now, this is day 2, the morning of day 2 of our amazing Get Your Book Done. And did we get a lot done yesterday?
Absolutely, yeah.
Wow. So what's the first thing we did?
Found our 2 purposes.
The two purposes. The purpose for the
author as well as the reader.
I know there's 2 purposes.
Yes.
Nobody knows that except you guys. And then we got the title and the subtitle.
Absolutely.
And then what did we do? They got
the domain name.
Domain name, because we have to have a domain for the book website. And then what do? We found a graphic artist
and a cover page.
and we ordered the cover, and it didn't cost us tens of thousands of dollars. I got a great deal for you.
Yes.
Absolutely.
And then what do? We got the
chapters written.
The chapter headings,
Bullet
about
points.
10 chapter headings. And then we got the bullets in each chapter.
Yes.
Oh my God. So let's talk to each individual person and see what's doing. Hi, what's your name?
Ahmed.
Ahmed, what do you do?
I am the author of the upcoming book, The Quick Method to Buy Properties.
Wow, the quick method. Wow,
Yeah.
what's it about?
It's about the use of the 1% rule to instant success.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
Thank you.
Wow. And tell me more.
Well, I have a New York Times best author writing my foreword.
Wow, tell me
Yes.
even more.
I will tell you more. I haven't even finished the book, but yet I have a publisher ready to go.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Hi, what's your name?
Kristina.
Kristina, what do you do?
I am the author of the upcoming book, The Sex of Gift Giving.
The Sex of Gift Giving.
Yes.
Wow. What's it about?
It's how to create euphoric impressions.
Oh my gosh, I like
Yeah.
Euphoria. Wow, wow. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Susan.
Susan, tell me what you do.
I am the author of the upcoming book, Unlock Your Limitless Life.
Oh my gosh, that's wonderful. Tell me more about it.
So the book has 108 or so plus different topics and tools on ways that you can create money loving what you do.
Wow, tell me even more.
So I'm so excited because the book isn't even finished yet, and I already have a top 10 New York Times bestseller writing the foreword, and I also have an international publisher.
Wow. Wow. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Davy.
Davy, what do you do?
I'm the author of the upcoming book, the book of Practical and Vedic Spirituality.
Wow, it's so new. You just named it yesterday and you're getting used to the name. It's okay. Tell me more about it.
It is 101 ways to peace, love, health, and happiness.
Wow. Wow.
That's great.
Wow. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Gustavo.
Gustavo, what do you do?
I am the author of the upcoming book on project management.
Oh my gosh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Wow. Tell me
Yes.
more.
It's a book on how to be extremely efficient to remain profitable when developing and delivering any project.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. Tell me your name.
Rick,
Rick, tell me what you do.
I'm the author of the upcoming book, Pain to Prosperity,
Ooh. And what's it about?
the GPS blueprint for your life.
All right. Wow.
Hi there.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Myra.
Myra, what do you do?
I am the author of the upcoming book, How to Catapult Your Business in 30 Days.
Oh my gosh, what's it about?
Well, it's a guide for direct sellers.
Oh, I love it. I love it. Wow. And that's my amazing Orlando class. They're doing great. They're happy. How happy are you, class? Yeah. I know. We're having so much fun. And all you wonderful people who've written in. Dexter, I haven't seen you in ages. Hello. Thank you for listening to this. And I love you, and I love helping people write their book to get branded so they can get out of drowning in the sea of sameness and climb up onto the island of individuality so they can float effortlessly for the rest of their life down the river of relevant differentiation.